You are going to love the 2019 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.